Morning, guys. So this morning we started another little project. We are putting in a pad for a little pole barn garage. So we brought the first load this morning. Well, first we skimmed off all the topsoil, kind of spread it over there. So we brought a load of sand, spread that out. Dad went to go get another one. So there we go, load number 2 has arrived. Dad's leaving right now. Let's get this spread out. Alright guys, now we're going to check grade. Looks like that's about grade right there. A little low. One of the most important parts right here, making sure you're on grade. Still about a little bit of an inch low. Well, got more dirt on the way, so that'll fix it. Coming along, guys. Just shot it. She's pretty close to grade, so we got one more load on the way. Alrighty guys, so it's Thursday morning, or it's Friday morning. We are heading back to that pole barn site job. We left a little bit early yesterday. We had some stuff we had to do at the farm. So we're back this morning. We're gonna take a little bit of gravel with us. But Dad hauled a couple loads yesterday of sand. So I'm gonna get back there, finish the pole barn site, and spread a little topsoil, and that should wrap up this job for the Friday. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, there she is. Got the pad finished. Dad came back with the truck and trailer. Got some topsoil spread around it here. Working on getting it compacted. But here she is. Ready for some guys like this video, go ahead and like it, and if you're not already, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. What are you guys doing? Yeah, no eating grass. Say hi to the camera. So this one's our new dog, and this is the sibling of this one, but we're just watching this one for the weekend. But this is the new dog for the family, Stella. Sleepy, sleepy. They play together pretty well. What are you doing, Hank?